Okay, I'm gonna try this again. This is me going out. These are my steps. And I gotta walk over to my car. Where I walked, it's almost buried. But that's where I walk. That's my trail. Walking at the end of my driveway. And the wind's just blowing. The more it's getting my car deeper and deeper and deeper. Now I'm going to walk down the stairs. I got to get something out of my car. See, here's the path where I walked out. That wasn't fun. Now I'm going to attempt to walk towards my car. Well, it's up to my hips. It's up to my hips. Okay. Pretty I can get in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holy Toledo! All right. Look this baby back up. Oh. Yeah. Well, the car's shut. Now the car won't fucking shut. I gotta stop for a minute.